My freaking truck. It's hailing.
Can't do nothing.
No, it's freaking. It's
falling snow though.
Okay, now that my truck has got covered with it, you know what I'm saying, I'm better, but while it's binging off of it, it's putting...
My truck good.
Okay, sweetheart, it's going to take a lot more than a hailstone to damage the beast. The beast. That's the beast.
Come in the backyard.
Man, it's hailing like a mug. Wow. Oh, hail. Now they're melting as soon as they hit the ground. That was friggin' neat. Huh?
It's kind of like, it's just hard snow.
They're balls of snow. It's raining snowballs.
Ow!
Why'd you do that?
It's raining snowballs.
Okay, now it's rain again. It's not hail anymore.
Really?
Yeah. But I'm going to go pick up a handful of them.